the elevator. I'm with my friends here at Sears, department store at Pickering Town Center. Let's see if they touch the elevator, because there was a flood here once, not too long ago. So the elevator's right here. And it's still original. That's good. See? Lexan buttons. Let's go up. See the buttons right here, guys? These are Lexan by OTIS. And here it is already. Here's our OTIS. We got door sensors now.
You guys go upstairs? I want to look up the men's section.
Yeah, we'll go upstairs, then we'll come back down, okay? 1, 2. Here we go. Focus camera. Watch the button go out. Watch. Look at these fixtures right here. Then we'll go back down to... A little rattly though, but that's okay. And this door's going to open. We're going to hold the door open, please. You're welcome. 1R. Is that locked off? I think it's 1R. 1R's burned out. Or is it going down automatically? That was quick. Okay. And that's it.